Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I borrowed from a friend the Jawbreaker palette, and I have been really wanting to use this. I don't have this palette. She lent it to me because I really wanted to use it. So today I'm going to primarily
use this palette today
because I have not used it and I really want to use it. So let's get into this. So first I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. primer. This is the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And I'm just going to squirt that a little bit on my fingers. And I'm just going to rub this all over my face. Now the next step, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Foundation. And I'm just going to squirt a full pump and a few dots into my hand. And I'm going in with a JS1 brush, which is this. And I'm just going to dot it all over my face, and then I'm going to use the same brush to blend it in. Next I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro powder, and this is a translucent powder, and I'm just going to use this to set what I just laid down on my face. And I'm going to go in with a JS2 brush, which is this one here, and I'm just going to powder all over the face. And then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer, and I'm going to blend that out with this brush here. This is a BS Mall brush. And today we are actually going to bake. So I'm going to go back in my translucent powder, and I'm going to take the sponge that was in it, and I'm just going to get enough product on there, pick the sponge back up, and then dab it on top of where I put my concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm just going to apply that all over the top of my lids. And I'm going to use my finger for this. I'm going to use my finger to apply it, and then I'm going to use this flat brush, but this is a Morph brush. I'm going to use this to spread it over the eyelid. And now I'm going to go into the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to go in the shade Virgin, and I'm going to put that all over my eye. And I'm going to use this Luxie 207 brush, and I'm just going to put this color all over the eye. And this is just going to set the primer that's underneath. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Clone, and I'm going to take that on this Luxie 249 blending brush here. It's a double-sided brush, but I'm going to use the fluffy side. And I'm just going to take that color, and I'm going to put it in the crease. I'm using this as a crease shade. Now I'm going to go in shade with I'm going to go in shade Tasty, and I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corners and blend into the crease. And now I'm going to go back in with the Luxie brush that we used for the shade Clone, and I'm going to use that brush. I'm not going to put any more product on it, but I'm going to use the brush to blend out the color that we just laid down. And now I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush here, and this is by BS Mall, and I am going to go in to the shade Raspberry, which is here. And I'm just going to lightly dust this on top of both of the colors that are already laid down, just to give it a little more red color. I want to warm it up. And now I'm going to go in with shade Delicious. I'm going in shade Delicious here, and I'm just going to put that on my outer crease. And I'm using this Visani Contour Eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corner just to darken up the outside of the eye and to smoke it out. And now I'm going to go in with a flat brush. This is a flat packer brush from Morph, and I'm going to go in shade Snack, and I'm going to put that color all over the lid. And now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with this Ulta Beauty Dual End Pencil Liner. This side is brown, this side is black. I'm going to go in with the black side, and I'm just going to put this all on the inner waterline on the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to go back in with this Visani brush, contour eyeshadow brush here. I'm going to back into this brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Cute here. And I'm going to use that shade to smoke out the bottom lash line where I just added the eyeliner. And now I'm going to go in with this crown brush, and I'm going to use this brush to wipe away all of the powder that I have set under my eyes to set the concealer. I'm going to use this brush to wipe it away because I am done baking. And now I'm going to go in with this packer brush here, and I'm going to go in shade Jawbreaker, which is here, and I'm going to put this shade on my inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going in with this crown brush here. This is a different brush compared to the one that I used to wipe away setting powder. And I'm going in with this shade here, the second darkest shade, and I'm going to use this shade to contour my cheekbones. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter in shade Princess Cut, and I'm going to use a JS4 brush, this fluffy highlighting brush here, and I'm just going to swirl around the pan and highlight the upper corners of my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with my
I really don't know the brand, but it's the Insanely Intense Tattoo eyeliner.
And I'm going to use this to do my upper eyeliner in the wing. And now I'm going to go in this dark brown shade, which is the other end of this pencil eyeliner from Ulta. I'm going in the brown shade, and I'm going to use this to do my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with more of my concealer, the Smashbox, and I'm going to go in with this brush here. This is the brush that I used to put down the eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use this now to outline my eyebrows, and I'm just going to put a little concealer there, and I'm just going to line my eyebrows. You always want to remember that your eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. It's like this really big eyebrow here. One of my big eyebrows is bigger than the other. Now I'm just going to blend the concealer underneath the eyebrow. And now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Coverall powder. And I'm going to go in with this powder in Luxie 650 brush.
I think this is a foundation brush, to be honest, but I use it for more powders than anything.
And I'm going to go in this brush, and I'm just going to set that concealer. And now I'm going to go in with my Professional Natural Lash. I think this is the CoverGirl. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to spread this up into my eyebrow. And this is just going to hold my eyebrows, hairs in place. Now I'm going to do my lashes off camera so that y'all don't have to see the struggle of that. So
I will be right back.
Now that my lashes are on, I did also put on these earrings. I recently just made these, and they will be in my Etsy shop soon. If you want to find my Etsy shop, it will be linked in the description below, as well as all the products that I used today. So for lips, I'm going to put in Fetish by Lime Crime, which is a beautiful dark purple. I love the way they smell. They smell so amazing. I'm just going to apply this. Now that lipstick is fully dry, the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I will list all the products that I used down below in the description, as well as my social medias and my Etsy shop where you can find jewelry like these, or necklaces, all sorts of like handmade jewelry. Also, love the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I really want to get one now. This is my first time playing with one and also using one. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this Jawbreaker dark, sexy, I don't know what to call this look, but thank you so much for watching. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. I'm debating what type of eye look to do with this. There's just so many colors and I want to use them all. Oh, that is very picky.